Are you tired of dealing with laptop and desktop issues at home or in the office? Look no further. Raj Computers is here to provide top-notch service right at your doorstep in Chennai. Whether it's a slow laptop, a desktop that won't boot, or pesky Wi-Fi range problems, we've got you covered. Our expert team specializes in CCTV maintenance, ensuring your security systems are always running smoothly. Struggling with network problems? We can troubleshoot and optimize your home or office network and even help with external router installations. Just give us a call at 9578-317-109 and let Raj Computers take care of all your tech troubles. Your satisfaction is our priority.